This is the elevator at Menards, Massillon, Ohio. We've got a ThyssenKrupp with a ring around the button. It's interesting. Menards jingle. That took forever. When you shop Menards. Looks like they repainted this cap. Just like the one in Sandusky. Take a look out here. Here's the call button up here. Oh, it's an Aurora button. That's interesting. Flush lantern. ThyssenKrupp. Yeah, just like the one in Sandusky, which I haven't filmed in a long time. I need to refilm that one soon. But glad I finally made it out to this one. Super slow door. And any day now, there it goes. And that'll be it.